In this video you will learn how to change your LLC address in Ohio. Visit the Ohio Secretary of State website, choose the correct form, use form 611A, the amendment to Article of Organization if you're changing the Principal Office form, or form 521, statutory agent update if you're updating a registered agent or office. Enter your LLC information. Provide your LLC's legal name, old address, new address that need to be recorded. Review the filing. Carefully check all the details to ensure accuracy before submitting any of the forms. Submit the file and pay the fee. You can file them online or by mail with the Secretary of State. Make sure you pay the required filing fee at the same time. Update other records. After approval, update your new LLC with the IRS, bank or vendors, or even licensed authorizations to keep your records current and clean. Now you know how to change your LLC in Ohio. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.